Atomic energy, electrical, and iron and steel industries were classified under which schedule in the Industrial Policy Resolution 1956? A. Schedule A. B. Schedule D. C. Schedule B. D. Schedule C. The correct answer is A. Schedule A. Which group resisted English attempts to establish political hegemony in Tamil Nadu in the late 18th century? A. Zamindars. B. Nawabs. C. Peshwas. D. Palayakaras. The correct answer is D. Palayakaras. What body of texts contains teachings on religion like Ithihasas and Puranas? A. Agamas only. B. Shruti. C. Tantras only. D. Smritis. The correct answer is D. Smritis. The teachings of Buddha were relatable to the people because they addressed which of the following? A. Philosophical debates. B. Historical events. C. Everyday concern of the people. D. Scientific theories. The correct answer is C. Everyday concern of the people. What consequence resulted from the nuclear arms race in many countries? A. Defense spending skyrocketed. B. Reduced military presence. C. Economic depression. D. Increased international cooperation. The correct answer is A. Defense spending skyrocketed. When was the first All India Trade Union Conference, ATUC, held? A. 20th November 1922. B. 15th August 1947. C. 31st October 1920. D. 31st October 1930. The correct answer is C. 31st October 1920. Why were Yuvrajs appointed governors in the provinces? A. To oversee construction projects. B. For administrative training. C. To gain military experience. D. To collect taxes. The correct answer is B. For administrative training. Which empire is Indica a main source for studying? A. Nanda Empire. B. Haryanka Empire. C. Shishunga Empire. D. Mauryan Empire. The correct answer is D. Mauryan Empire. What was the location of the university established by King Dharmapala? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Bengal. The correct answer is D. Bengal. What subjects were taught at Nalanda University? A. Various subjects. B. Art and music. C. History and geography. D. Military strategy. The correct answer is A. Various subjects. What materials were used to construct houses in small villages during the Mesolithic period? A. Thatched roofs and walls plastered with clay. B. Wooden leaves. C. Stone and mud. D. Brick and mortar. The correct answer is A. Thatched roofs and walls plastered with clay. What did Ram Mohan Roy want to preserve continuity with? A. The past. B. Other cultures. C. Political reforms. D. The future. The correct answer is A. The past. Who was the father of Emperor Shahu? A. Balaji Viswanath. B. Sambhaji. C. Shivaji II. D. Rajaram. The correct answer is A. Balaji Viswanath. What did the Tamil Isai movement prioritize in music concerts? A. Singing of Tamil compositions. B. Singing of Hindustani compositions. C. Singing of Sanskrit compositions. D. Singing of English compositions. The correct answer is A. Singing of Tamil compositions. The Mahabodhi temple marks the spot where Buddha achieved what? A. Nirvana. B. First sermon. C. Enlightenment. D. Great renunciation. The correct answer is C. Enlightenment. What was the name of the treaty signed in 1792? A. Treaty of Mangalore. B. Treaty of Paris. C. Treaty of Srirangapatnam. D. Treaty of Madras. The correct answer is C. Treaty of Srirangapatnam. Who primarily wrote the travelers' accounts mentioned? A. Visiting Arab and Persian scholars. B. African explorers. C. European merchants. D. Chinese monks. The correct answer is A. Visiting Arab and Persian scholars. What system is mentioned alongside the invention of the pot? A. Agriculture. B. Currency system. C. Writing system. D. Barter system. The correct answer is D. Barter system. What colors typically characterize Harappan pottery? A. Green slip and yellow paintings. B. Deep red slip and black paintings. C. Blue slip and white paintings. D. Brown slip and red paintings. The correct answer is B. Deep red slip and black paintings. What development was a consequence of the growth of agriculture during this period? A. The decline of settled communities. B. The prohibition of smelting. C. The idea of private possession of land. D. The rise of nomadic lifestyles. The correct answer is C. The idea of private possession of land. What is mentioned as a location for a monolithic pillar? A. Sarnath. B. Patliputra. C. Rajagriha. D. Kalinga. The correct answer is A. Sarnath. Where was Roberto de Nobili primarily based? A. Kochi. B. Goa. C. Tuticorin. D. Madurai. The correct answer is D. Madurai. Which of the following was a duty of the committees under the Nagarika? A. Constructing royal palaces. B. Managing religious ceremonies. C. Registering births and deaths. D. Overseeing military training. The correct answer is C. Registering births and deaths. Which continents were colonized and exploited during this historical period? A. North America and South America. B. Asia and Africa. C. Antarctica and Europe. D. Europe and Australia. The correct answer is B. Asia and Africa. What era was heralded by the intellectual peak in Alexandria? A. Roman era. B. Hellenistic era. C. Egyptian era. D. Persian era. The correct answer is B. Hellenistic era. What social practice was abolished by law on humanitarian grounds? A. Sati. B. Temple worship. C. Devdasi system. D. Bharatanatyam. The correct answer is A. Sati. What is the name for the heroic anklet worn by kings and soldiers? A. Tomaram. B. Sangam. C. Irai. D. Veera Kajal. The correct answer is D. Veera Kajal. What was the nature of the Mansabdar rank during Akbar's reign? A. It was hereditary. B. It was not hereditary. C. It was granted for life. D. It was transferable. The correct answer is B. It was not hereditary. What was a consequence of the colonial rule on India's famous handicrafts? A. They became more expensive to produce. B. They diversified into new product lines. C. They collapsed. D. They thrived due to new markets. The correct answer is C. They collapsed. Who was granted land in 1639 to set up a factory? A. The Portuguese. B. Sir Francis Day. C. Raja Mahal. D. Charles II. The correct answer is B. Sir Francis Day. How did you score?